Hi guys, welcome back to Reels by TBL. I hope everybody's doing great and I am really enjoying this lockdown. So don't ask me why, maybe I will do a separate video on this. Also a quick filming update. I am filming this video with a new phone, with a Vivo X50 Pro, and I'm checking their camera quality, and so do let me know how do you like the quality of the video. So before any further ado, I will tell you that what is this video all about. Today I am gonna basically make your decision of buying a Dyson or not buying a Dyson a little easy. So basically आपको Dyson खरीदना चाहिए या नहीं खरीदना चाहिए, ये आज का सिंपल सा वीडियो है और इसी के बारे में मैं आपको बताऊंगी. सो वीडियो शुरू करते हैं, बट उससे पहले आपको पता है कि आपको सब्सक्राइब करना है. यहाँ पे है सब्सक्राइब बटन, जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ताकि आप मेरी चैनल से एक भी वीडियो मिस ना करें. सो यस, वीडियो शुरू करते हैं. मैं आपको बेसिकली थोड़ा सा अलग रिव्यू करने वाली हूँ. मैं आपको ये बताने वाली हूँ कि ये डायसन एयर आप ख़रीदने से पहले आपको कौन से ये सवाल हैं जो अपने आप से पूछने चाहिए. व्हाट आर द बेसिक क्वेश्चंस यू शुड आस्क योर सेल्फ बिफोर एक्चुअली गोइंग एंड बाइंग दिस प्रोडक्ट. सो द नंबर वन क्वेश्चन इज़ वाई. Why do you want to buy this product? Ask yourself this question 100 times before actually buying. आपका purpose क्या है, खरीदने का? Do you want to curl your hair? Do you want your hair to be manageable? Why do you want this? So before Ednith was born, Dyson was launched, and उस टाइम पे मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं लगती थी because the texture of my hair was very good before Ednith was born. So I was like, okay, I'm fine with this. I have a very nice hair. I wash it, I conditioner it, and it's good to go. But after Ednith was born, मेरे हेयर की क्वालिटी में एक्चुअली बहुत फ़र्क आया है. वेदर इट्स स्किन, वेदर इट्स एनीथिंग, माई जीन्स हैव एक्चुअली, माई हार्मोन्स हैव एक्चुअली चेंज्ड. सो इसीलिए व्हेन आफ्टर Ednith was born and I again joined back my office, I again started to research about Dyson, and this time my need has actually changed. This time my need was a manageable hair. My hair was not manageable, so that was the reason I wanted to buy Dyson, and hence I looked out at Dyson for this reason. There was no other reason which I bought this product for. So that's why I'm saying the number one question you have to ask yourself like 100 times is that why do you want to buy this product? The number second question is how often do you style your hair? This is a very, very important question because when you are actually during lockdown, especially when you're not going out, how often will you style your hair, right? So please ask yourself this question. मैं अगर अपने लिए बोलूँ तो मेरा job ऐसा है, when I have vlogging, when I have YouTube, when I have Instagram, please follow me. I have to be right in front of the camera, so I need to style my hair. That's why I need the Dyson Airwrap. If you are kind of a person who don't style their hair or are mostly at home and just do weekends or in 1 month, then I really think आपको थोड़ा सा सोचना चाहिए कि whether you really want to buy this Dyson product or not. So the number second question is how often do you style your hair? Now comes number third and the last question is, are you ready? So basically अगर आपका number one and number second question में answer एकदम perfect आया है and you are saying that yes, this machine is for me, I really want this product in my life, then you should just ask yourself this last question, that are you ready? Are you ready financially to actually buy this product? Because आप मानिए या ना मानिए, ये product expensive है. 40K अराउंड का एक हेयर स्टाइलिंग प्रोडक्ट इज एक्चुअली एन इन्वेस्टमेंट and a big buy. So are you ready financially? Are you at this stage during lockdown especially that you really want to buy this product? So if you are ready, then yes. If you don't, but you just want to buy that because oh my god, this product is so nice, then I would say that to you, रुकिए थोड़ा रुकिए, it's okay, it's not भाग नहीं रहा है कहीं. So the last question which you should ask yourself is that are you actually ready to buy this product or not? Now let me just quickly take you that how did I make that decision and what was my story all about. So basically I told you, after I joined back office and I was still working on Dyson, I actually thought of doing a bit of research. Then मैंने इनकी research के बारे में पढ़ा and at the same time मैं actually suffer भी कर रही थी from hair fall जो post pregnancy होता ही है. So उस time पे मैंने इनके बारे में पढ़ा and I made a decision that yes, I wanted to buy it, but of course it is ridiculously expensive. So that's why उसको खरीदना या नहीं खरीदना, I was not ready for it. Financially I was not ready. So I actually started to save up. So about 40k था. So I have literally waited like 8 months. मैंने 5k करके actually save किया है to buy this product. So this is how I started to save and actually bought it like one day, and I was really happy that day. And it is actually quite a story, and I think this should be the way that if you want to buy something and if there is something expensive, then you should just save up to it. And एक तो काफ़ी excitement बनी रहती है, and there is something you're actually saving up to. If I tell you that how do I use the product, I basically really like their 3 attachments, which are these 3. This is their hair dry, which is very good. I will come to the pros and cons of the whole hair dryer. I'm just telling you what I do. This is the hair dryer. I'm sure आपने देखा है, आप इसको अकेले भी खरीद सकते हैं. I think about 20-25k का है ये खाली hair dryer. Then this is the smoothing brush I use, which मैंने अभी use किया हुआ है अपने hair में. If you can see, it's a very nice brush which actually helps to smoothen your hair. It's a smoothing hair brush. And this is the last, which is a round brush which I use to actually give that bounce to your hair. I mean, I'm not really sure because मेरे काफ़ी silky smooth hair है, but yeah, I mean whatever bounce I have in my hair right now, it is because of this. So these are the 3 attachments which I actually use almost every time I wash my hair. So this is how I use it. I can actually give you a quick demo also. So let's get right into it. So basically I'm taking the Dyson and I take the smoothing brush generally because curls तो मेरे पे टिकते नहीं हैं. So now what I do is I basically divide my hair, and जो crown वाला area है उसको मैं अलग कर लेती हूँ and I just make a bun. And also मेरे बाल जो है वो 60 to 70% dry हैं. So if I show you this, then this has 3 different buttons. So एक है on and off, एक है speed of the fan, और एक है heat and the cold. This is what my hair feels like, but honestly I need some bounce hair. I feel like this is a bit flat, so that's why मैं इसमें एक और attachment लगाती हूँ. Now comes this round brush. I'm sure जब हम blow dry कराते हैं ये brush use होता है. So this is the brush. Then I take my crown area and I use this. Just and it's done. Okay. I like it like this way. Can you guys feel it and can you guys see? So yes, this is how I use it. Quick, ekdam badhiya. Now let's get into the main question, whether you should buy it or not. So I think कोई भी मैंने अपने लाइफ के डिसीजन लिए हैं, आई हैव एक्चुअली रोट द प्रोज एंड कॉन्स ऑफ anything in my life. मेरे biggest to biggest decisions in my life have been like this, because when you actually write down things, it actually register into your mind. So that's why I did the same thing. I can actually quickly show you. So this is my phone, and I've actually wrote down, okay, somehow, yeah, I've actually wrote down the pros and cons of buying this Dyson Airwrap. So quickly, let's get right into it by reading the number one pro. I actually told you in the beginning of the video that you should ask yourself that why do you want to buy this product. उसका आंसर जो मैंने अपने आप को दिया था is without heat technology. मैं इतने प्रोडक्ट्स हम यूज़ करते हैं अपने हेयर स्टाइलिंग के लिए, whether it's hair iron, is it curling, I mean I'm sure हम सब ने यूज़ करे हैं. But when this product came into my life, which is a without heat technology, I was actually bought by this whole idea of this product. इसमें एक क्वांडा इफेक्ट है, which is a air technology क्वांडा इफेक्ट, जो क्या करता है, वो आपके बालों का टेक्सचर एंड टेम्परेचर समझ के अपनी मशीन का टेम्परेचर सेट करता है और एयर से आपके बालों को ये ड्राई करता है. कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड? इट इज़ सो फैंटाबुलस दैट ये कोई भी हीट नहीं दे रहा है. इट इज़ नॉट आयरन मशीन जो आप यूज़ करते हैं, ये एयर यूज़ कर रहा है टू actually give you that bounce in your hair and that effect in your hair. That's why it is a bit noisy also, which is a con, and I'll tell you later. This is the number one pro which I totally love, that it actually is a heat free product, which is fantastic to me, because after post pregnancy I can't afford to actually use too much heat in my hair, and I think nobody should use. So that was my number one reason that मैं जब भी कोई भी प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करूँ मेरे को टेंशन नहीं होनी चाहिए ना, राइट? किसी को भी टेंशन नहीं होनी चाहिए अगर वो कोई प्रोडक्ट यूज़ कर रहा है कि मतलब मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ और कुछ डैमेज हो गया तो नहीं. So that is the number one pro which I think is that it uses heat free technology. Number second is quick. Yes, I mean with the hair dryer it is actually so quick. आप कोई भी अपना normal hair dryer, I have like the best of best hair dryers also with me, but when I started using this, I'm literally saying, in like 5 to 6 minutes by the clock your hair is actually 60 to 70% dry, which is great I think guys, because पूरा dry तो हम वैसे भी नहीं करते हैं hair dryer से. So I think it's very quick. Again, as a mom I don't have that much of time to actually invest into like hair styling, but then my nature of job requires me to do so, right? So that's why it's very very quick, and it's the number second pro which you should buy this for. Number third is your damaged hair. Like 60 to 70% of janta has colored hair or has damaged hair or chemically treated hair. तो आपको प्लीज़ यूज़ नहीं करना है कोई भी another product. So अगर आपके damaged hair हैं, ये आपके लिए बहुत ही अच्छा product है. So rather than investing so much into salons of like hair spas and weekend party के लिए जाना है, hair dry करवाना है, please don't do that. If you have damaged hair, then this hair product is really really nice, and I think it is great for damaged hair. The number fourth and the number last is lockdown. I think because of lockdown आप salon तो जा नहीं पा रहे हैं, तो why not get the salon at home? So this is the number fourth and the last pro, that because right now because of security reasons we are not able to go to the salon, then I think this kind of product is a boon for you. It's like an investment which you are doing, especially in these times. बहुत जल्दी ये सही भी नहीं होने वाला है, आप नहीं जा पाएंगे. So why not invest a good amount? I do understand it's expensive, but it is now become an investment, guys, especially in lockdown. आप इसको खरीदिए and you are worry free, because कहीं भी आपको जाना है, अगर आप कुछ भी करना है, then you have the Dyson Airwrap at your hand. Now comes a little bit of cons. The biggest con is actually it is very very expensive. मैं आपको पहले ही बता चुकी हूँ कि ये बहुत expensive है because maybe of the technology, maybe of the Dyson build, it is actually very very expensive. So I think this is the biggest con which I feel of this, that you know before buying हमें इसलिए 100 बार सोचना पड़ता है. But I think yes, I mean everybody should think before they buy. Think like 1,000 times before you buy, because you might see a lot of influencers, you might see a lot of vloggers actually reviewing this, but that doesn't mean that you know आपको भी invest करना है इसमें. You don't know that most of them are getting it for free. I am not getting it for free. I've actually bought it. That's why I want to say you guys that please, you know, please think 1,000 times before you buy it. The second con is it is not that great for silky hair. Yes, I actually said it. I have silky hair, and after buying this I felt that you know yes, you know I could have bought like the smaller version. इनका smaller way combination वाला version भी आता है. I could have bought that. वो इससे थोड़ा lesser expensive, I think 35 तक का पड़ जाता है वो. आई कुड हैव बॉट दैट, एंड मैंने पूरा एयर ऐप खरीद लिया है, जबकि मैं यूज़ भी नहीं करती हूँ सबका सब उनकी अटैचमेंट्स. सो आई थिंक इट इज़ नॉट ग्रेट फॉर द सिल्की हेयर्स बिकॉज आई जस्ट यूज़ फ्यू ऑफ द यू नो अटैचमेंट्स फॉर इट. सो इसलिए इफ़ यू हैव सिल्की हेयर देन गो फॉर अ स्मॉलर वर्जन इफ़ यू रियली नीड इट. एंड इफ़ यू डोंट हैव सिल्की हेयर, नॉर्मल हेयर एंड अ डैमेज्ड हेयर, देन गो अहेड एंड बाय द होल you know air wrap for you, because it is great. And I think this is the first time when having silky hair is actually proving to be really bad for me. And I really feel you know मेरे भी damaged hair होता है यार, मैं भी एकदम अच्छा कर लेती. But yeah, nevertheless so this is what I feel about the second con. And I think there's no other disadvantage. Oh yeah, about the noise. Guys, if you are a mom and you know your baby is sitting in and sleeping, or sitting, especially sleeping in your own room, I mean मैं कर ही नहीं पाती हूँ स्टाइल, because जब भी मैं इसको यूज़ करती हूँ इट्स क्वाइट नॉइजी. आई मीन काफ़ी शोर है बिकॉज ऑफ द एयर इट यूजेज. सो या दीज वर द प्रोज एंड दीज वर द कॉन्स, एंड प्रोज आर वे मोर देन द कॉन्स, एंड दैट्स वाई आई मेड द डिसीजन ऑफ बाइंग द Dyson Airwrap. So this was my review. You have to actually see to yourself whether you want to buy it or not, whether it's worth it for you or not. So it's actually very different for everybody, so I can't give like one specific answer that it is or it is not. I've told you my pros and cons. Whatever suits you, you can actually go ahead and buy it. I hope you guys like it. Please follow me on Instagram. I do a lot of content there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.